Most people don't age because of time. They age because their nervous system forgets how to stay calm under pressure. There is a strength that doesn't look strong. No flexing, no shouting, no display. Just a quiet body that refuses to break. Decay doesn't begin in the skin. It begins when the joints stiffen, the blood slows, and the inner current goes silent. You are told that tiredness is natural, that stiffness is part of growing older, that energy fades with time, but your body was not designed to decay this early. Your bones are not dead structures. Your joints are not rusting hinges. Your body is a living circuit. And like any circuit, when the current stops, the system weakens. Not from age, but from disconnection. Look at your daily life. Your attention lives in your phone, your deadlines, your thoughts, but rarely in your body. Your spine collapses over screens. Your breath never reaches the lower ribs. Your muscles hold tension without release. So the current never reaches the skeleton. And a structure without current slowly becomes fragile. Not because it is old, but because it is unpowered. When you apply slow tension with focused awareness, something unusual happens. Your tissues generate tiny electrical signals. Modern science calls it the piezoelectric effect. Pressure becomes electricity. Electricity stimulates bone. Bone becomes stronger. The ancients did not use these words, but they felt the same result. Heat in the spine, strength in the joints, calm in the mind. If this kind of knowledge sharpens your mind, subscribe and train with us. In the old yogic traditions of Bharat, there was a concept called Vajra Deha, the Thunderbolt body, not a body built for display, not a body trained for applause, a body that could endure pressure without breaking. The yogis believed, when breath becomes deep, when attention enters the bones, when tension is applied with awareness, the body stops feeling fragile. It becomes dense, stable, resistant, like a thunderbolt. This was Vajra Deha, a structure forged from the inside. In the Shaolin temples of China, there was a similar teaching. They called it Yi Jin Jing, the classic of transforming tendons. It was not a fighting technique. It was a structural discipline. Slow movements, deep tension, focused breathing. Over time, the monks noticed something. Their joints stopped aching. Their posture became effortless. Their presence became heavy. Not slow, not stiff, but rooted, like a mountain that had learned how to move. Stand still, feet shoulder-width apart, spine tall, like a spear planted into the earth. Bring your palms together in front of your chest. Now press them, not violently, not lazily, just enough to feel resistance. Left hand pushing right hand pushing left. No movement, only pressure. Close your eyes. Imagine a thread pulling your head upward and another pulling your tailbone down. Heaven above, earth below. You are the bridge. Breathe slowly. Within a minute, you will feel warmth in your palms, your arms, your spine. That is not imagination. That is circulation returning. That is your inner current waking up. But renewal is not comfortable. When the current starts moving, old tension rises. Hidden fatigue, restless sleep, emotions you buried. This is not weakness. This is cleansing. Like metal inside a furnace, the body must heat before it becomes strong. Most people stop here. Warriors continue. Real youth is not smooth skin. Real youth is calm under pressure, movement without stiffness, breath that does not panic. When energy returns to the bones, fear leaves the mind, and discipline stops feeling like effort. It becomes your nature. So the question is simple. Will you keep negotiating with your tiredness, or will you start commending your own biology? Not with motivation, not with supplements, but with attention, with stillness, with pressure applied consciously. Every breath is a message to your bones. Every moment of awareness is a spark of renewal. Remember this line: my body is not weak, it is untrained energy. And the moment you start training it, the current returns,